हाय, आई एम अंकुशा एंड आई एम अ स्टूडेंट एट IIM रोहतक। वेल, आज का वीडियो है बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेशल बिकॉज आज के वीडियो में मैं बताने वाली हूँ अपना IIM इंटरव्यू का एक्सपीरियंस विद माय बैचमेट्स। वैसे आप मुझे देख के कह रहे हो कि अंकुशा वहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है। जी हाँ, यहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है, मतलब बाहर इतना ज़्यादा कोहरा है, पूरा कोहरा ही कोहरा चारों तरफ, कि मेरे को रूम में ही वीडियो शूट करनी पड़ी। ठीक है, so without wasting much time, let's get into the video. Alright, so let's start with my own experience. तो सबसे पहले तो as soon as I entered the meet link ना, उनने सबसे पहले मुझे एक टॉपिक दिया women empowerment and told me कि चलिए ये extempore है, you have to prepare and you have to speak for at least 2 minutes on this topic. तो I prepared, मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ लिखा नहीं था, but what you can do is you can have a small पेपर और शीट एंड यू कैन राइट डाउन 2-3 पॉइंट्स। बट मैंने दिमाग में ऐसे मतलब सेट कर लेते कि हाँ पहले ये बोलना है, फिर ये बोलना है, ये बोल लेते। स्ट्रक्चर करने के बाद मैंने वो डिलीवर किया एंड दे वर लाइक ओके प्रीटी गुड अंकुशा। अच्छा, टेल मी अबाउट योर सेल्फ अंकुशा। देन आई टोल्ड थिंग्स दैट आई अचीव्ड इन माई ग्रेजुएशन डेज, इन माई स्कूल डेज एंड एवरीथिंग। बट लास्ट में मैंने एक चीज़ की थी कि एक ओपन एंडेड सेंटेंस छोड़ दिया था। आई सेड दैट यू नो आई वॉज अ रेडियो जॉकी वाइल परस्यूइंग माई ग्रेजुएशन। नाउ दे गॉट वेरी मच इंटरेस्टेड एंड दे वर लाइक कि अच्छा रेडियो जॉकीज वैसे भी बहुत कम होते हैं, इट इज सच एन हैपनिंग जॉब यू नो, तो व्हाई वुड यू वांट टू डू MBA, और MBA के बाद तो आप कॉर्पोरेट में जाएंगे एंड दैट वुड बी अ वेरी वेरी बोरिंग जॉब, सो व्हाई डू यू वांट टू स्विच। फिर इसका सब कुछ आंसर दिया कि क्यों MBA करना था, कैसे MBA की प्रिपरेशन की, कैसे कैट का सोचा और ये सब कुछ। फिर उसके बाद उन्होंने कहा कि अच्छा अंकुशा, यू हेल फ्रॉम द सिटी ऑफ लेक, जैसे तुमने टेल मी अबाउट योर सेल्फ में कहा, तो बताओ भोपाल का नाम कैसे पड़ा। देन आई टोल्ड द एंटायर हिस्ट्री, राजा भोज की एंड एवरीथिंग। फिर उसके बाद दे आस्क्ड मी सम क्वेश्चंस रिगार्डिंग देवी अहिल्या बाई एंड एवरीथिंग, तो उनके बारे में भी आई वॉज वेरी वेल प्रिपेयर्ड, मैंने उनका आंसर दिया। फिर दे टोल्ड मी कि अच्छा अंकुशा ये बताओ, डू यू हैव एनी फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट इन योर ग्रेजुएशन इतने 3 साल में। तो आई गेव देम अ सब्जेक्ट कि ठीक है ये सब्जेक्ट है फेवरेट, एंड इन जनरल ऑल्सो यू हैव टू गेट प्रिपेयर्ड वेरी 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 थरोली विद एटलीस्ट 1 or 2 सब्जेक्ट्स। आई वॉज वेरी वेल प्रिपेयर्ड, मैंने 2 सब्जेक्ट के नाम लिए, उसमें से उन लोगों ने बहुत बेसिक क्वेश्चंस मुझसे पूछे और वो कर लिया। फिर उन्होंने मुझे एक मैथमेटिक्स का भी आई रिमेंबर छोटा सा क्वेश्चन दिया था और वो मैंने वहाँ पे सॉल्व करके ख़त्म कर दिया। फिर टुवर्ड्स द एंड दे वर वेरी मच इंटरेस्टेड कि अच्छा यू आर मराठी, तो फिर मराठी में कुछ बोल के दिखाओ एंड हाउ मेनी मूवीज़ हैव यू वॉच्ड इन मराठी। फिर थोड़ा बहुत उन्होंने उस पर मुझे ग्रिल किया। फिर उसके बाद लास्ट में दे सेट किया अच्छा तुम तो रेडियो जॉकी हो, तो तुम्हें तो करंट अफेयर्स तो एकदम यू मस्ट बी कीपिंग योर सेल्फ अपडेटेड ना। तो फिर उन्होंने उसमें से काफ़ी क्वेश्चन पूछे, बजट के बारे में पूछा। फिर आई गेव आंसर्स बिकॉज दोज वर ऑब्वियस क्वेश्चंस एक्चुअली। और फिर उन्होंने स्टेट के बारे में, मिनिस्टर्स, गवर्नर्स और ये सब कुछ थोड़ा थोड़ा पूछा एंड आई गेव आंसर्स उसके भी। And well, that's how the interview came to an end.
Hi, I'm Channa Landa. I've done my BTech in Mechanical Engineering in Vizag. So during my IIM Rohtak interview, so initially it started with just a minute, wherein I was given a topic about should women be allowed in the army or not. So I had to elaborate my views about this topic for a minute, and then in the further questions, I was asked about my favorite subject in my engineering. So my favorite subject was theory of machines, so I got a few questions from that particular topic, and then it moved on to basic current affairs and general knowledge. So usually most of the questions were about India and rivers of India and various important things about our country, and then it moved on to current affairs, the current situation that was going on at that time. It was a very good experience. So one good suggestion I would give you guys is always be genuine with your answers. Don't try to cover up any answer that you don't know. So if at all if you don't know a certain answer, you can always say that I'm sorry sir, I'm not aware of this answer right now and I'll look into it once the interview is completed. So always be genuine about your answers and just be yourself, be confident about who you are, and that will be projected to the panelists.
My name is Sarthak Behzada. I had done my graduation in Economics Honors from Hansraj College, Delhi University, and my interview questions were basically on the lines of tell me something about yourself, and then we directly had an extempore on insolvency and bankruptcy code. After that, I was cross-questioned on Delhi because I am a native of Delhi, so they were just curious to see how observant I am of my surroundings. Then basically the question went on to my bachelor's. I'm a graduate in economics, so about development economics, behavioral economics and sort. So my suggestion would be thorough with your graduation subject. And apart from that, I think the main thing that they see is that how confident you are about your skills. So be confident and you'll do well for sure. Best of luck.
By the way, I'm sure you guys must have heard about Physics Wala. वैसे तो it is one of the most trusted educational platform जहाँ पे they prepare students for JEE हो गया आपका, NEET हो गया, Commerce हो गया, but this time they are coming up with CAT preparation courses. जी हाँ, एंड द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट द कोर्सेज इज इट इज़ हाईली अफोर्डेबल. जहाँ दूसरी कोचिंग की फीस होती है ना 20,000 25,000, यहाँ इनकी फीस इज too affordable. But let's talk about the quality first and then about the price point. यहाँ से अगर आप कोचिंग करते हैं तो आपको बहुत सारे एडवांटेज मिलेंगे, जैसे कि you'll get an opportunity to be taught by the best faculties. Second, you'll have a lot of mock tests. You'll have both live and recorded sessions. You'll have the access to a lot of daily practice questions. Then GDPI session will be there. Doubt sessions will be there. Lecture notes and study material will also be provided to you all. By the way, let's come and talk about the price point of Physics Wala CAT course. It is just at rupees 6,999. Yes, you heard it right. और पता है क्या, Republic Day पे they have a limited period offer starting from 21st of January to 31st of January, जिसमें आपको 500 wallet points मिलेंगे Physics वाला के, which is completely redeemable on your next purchase till July 2023. और इस पे भी आपको 500 ऑफ मिल सकता है by using my coupon code ANKU500. So what are you waiting for? Right now is the best time. The batch has already started. Hurry up and enroll right now.
Hello everyone, I'm Gopika. I'm from IIM Rohtak. I did my UG in BCom Honours from IIT Bhopal. So talking about my interview experience from the panel of IIM Rohtak, the first question was introduce yourself, which was followed up by some internship related questions which I did during my UG days. The basic question was how well you can relate to the internship work that you did towards the management principle that you learned in your UG days. So since I'm a fresher, these internship related questions really helped me to cover up what all things I knew related to management. One major question that helped me shape my interview was 3 major events or current affairs that you think would be shaping the work that is going to happen, or say the industry or the business world. So this becomes important because this question actually checked how well aware you are regarding the scenario that you're going to be in. As we all know, we all going to be future managers. This particular question becomes really a stepping stone for many. This could be a catch in your whole interview. This question was followed up by one question which was basically from my state. I'm from Madhya Pradesh. So at that particular time, there was a Narmada pipeline project that was going on. So they had some budget related deficiency. They gave me a scenario that if you are in the board of Madhya Pradesh Narmada pipeline issue, so how well you can be able to contribute regarding the cost reduction of the particular project that is going on. This actually checked how well I can relate to management principle and what are my managerial skills. So this was also another major question, as it checked how well you are aware regarding the state scenario in your own state, or how well you are connected to the state. Followed by some general, basic general knowledge questions, which was which state have the highest sex ratio and what all factors contribute towards the same. And towards the end, they asked me about the hobby. So this particular thing was mentioned in my PI thing, that which I filled during my interview process. So this included, I wrote as my hobbies as I love reading books. So they asked me which book do you love the most and how well you can relate to any of the management principle, and how you can relate to the whole book, what is the crux of the book, and how do you see yourself as a future manager, and how you can make that use of the book. So this was the whole interview experience. One tip towards every candidate would be confident in whatsoever you're speaking, because this is going to be the last chance where you can prove yourself. So all the best to everyone out there.
If you want to know more about Physics Wala CAT course, the link is there in the description below. Click on that and you'll have a detailed knowledge about Physics Wala CAT course. Do not forget to apply my coupon code ANKU500, which is Anku500. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up! Happy learning!